Hi, I'm Graham Manley from OrthoLab. I've got a very exciting course coming up. I'm going to present it to you for free, and I'm going to show you exactly the best way to activate removable appliances so that you get the results you want. I'm going to show you how to adjust Adam's cribs to make them tighter, to make them fit better. I'm going to show you what to do if clasps break, how to adapt the appliance so you don't have to send it back to the lab for a repair. I'm going to show you how to adjust elbow clasps, ball clasps, labial bows, expansion screws. I'm going to show you all that, and I'm going to show it to you for free of charge in the evening. I'm going to show you lots of things about lots of different appliances. What sequence you should open expansion screws in, that's very important. How much you should open them. Not only removable appliances, but also fixed Hyrax appliances. I'm going to show you how much you should open those screws. I'm going to let you get hands-on with the appliances. I'm going to have all the appliances here so you can hold them, touch them, play with them, feel them. You can get pliers, you can adjust those appliances yourself, and I will look over your shoulder and help you and guide you to adjust those appliances. This is a brilliant course, and it's going to really take your orthodontics to the next level. So if you've been struggling with appliances, you don't know how to adjust the labial bows, the springs, all kinds of things, if you're not quite sure, you're just winging it, please come along, because I'm not selling you anything. I'm teaching you stuff that's going to make your life easier. So come along to this course. It's going to be great. I look forward to seeing you there.